Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy stuff on Temu with a gift card. Temu is an e-commerce platform that offers a wide range of products at affordable prices. Using a gift card on Temu is a great way to make purchases without spending your own money. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First, you need to have a Temu account. If you don't have one, create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have an account, log in to the Temu website or mobile app. Next, navigate to the Temu homepage and click on the gift card option. This option is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will take you to the gift card page where you can view your gift card balance and redeem a new gift card. To redeem a gift card, click on the Redeem Gift Card option and enter the gift card code. The gift card code is usually a series of numbers and letters that can be found on the back of the gift card or in the email if you received the gift card digitally. Enter the code carefully and click on the Apply button. Once you have redeemed your gift card, you can start shopping on Temu. Browse through the various categories of products and add the items you want to purchase to your cart. When you are ready to check out, click on the Checkout button and select the gift card as your payment method. If your gift card balance is sufficient to cover the cost of the items in your cart, the order will be processed successfully. If the gift card balance is not sufficient, you will be prompted to add another payment method to cover the remaining amount. It is also important to note that Temu gift cards have an expiration date, so make sure to use your gift card before it expires. Additionally, Temu gift cards can only be used on the Temu website or mobile app and cannot be redeemed for cash. In conclusion, buying stuff on Temu with a gift card is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can easily redeem your gift card and make purchases on Temu. Remember to always check your gift card balance and expiration date before making a purchase. And happy shopping!